What does risk-based access look like in industrial environments? So by risk-based access, what we mean is, access that's based on role or based on some other principle of limiting folks to what they need to access, what they need to do in the environment. Do they need to read and write, or is it all right to just read or view what's going on in the environment? Where do they need to get into in an industrial environment, right? For some industrial environments, they're fairly simple. It's a flat network. There's not a whole lot going on. For others, there can be a lot of segments, even multiple domains involved in the industrial environment, right? Within there, even within a given domain or area of the environment, where are you allowing their user accounts to go into? Where are you blocking them? If you have firewalls that are looking at that given user accessing the area, are you constraining users to only the area they absolutely need to get into to get their job done? As you talk about that and as you think through that, thinking through how you kind of segment where users should go into is key, right? And the other thing that's important is factoring in not only by the spec, what is it possible for a user to do, but also what is a user capable of doing in the software itself, right? Sometimes a piece of software or an application will say, hey, by this spec, it's only possible to do this. When you go test that, sometimes it's possible to do more. So as you think about like kind of constraining users and where that goes into there, both what's possible is important, and then understanding, hey, what is that user's role and how do I kind of keep them bound to the space where they should be and not beyond their scope of duty.